We starting a new video. Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Welcome back to another vlog. We are going to do some fryaloor and roti. I have been wanting fryaloor, and like not just me. Why you pick up your face?
I don't like fryaloor.
You crazy? I don't think you have anybody who don't like fryaloor. Well, except Seraphine's. Mommy actually wanted fryaloor too. So we are here today, and she's going to whip it up for us very quickly. But first things first, we gotta peel the aloo. I start and she not here as yet, so get your knife and start peeling away. Mom, we peeling all this?
No, average time.
We have a little COVID sanitization service going on here. Ian is giving Mommy and Daddy a complimentary clean out. For most of you who may think I cannot cook, I could, alright. Should I fry the aloo?
Welcome.
I don't know.
Take it out if you find.
Okay, Mommy. Who is your favorite child?
Tell them.
Is it he?
Favorite child?
Mommy, who is your favorite child?
All the things is my favorite child.
You want who holding the camera?
I don't have a favorite child.
My Rashma, so that means you're cooking it.
The oil was hot.
Alright, I am the one doing it, right? Come and show them a pot. The trick is to get this to kind of like brown up a little bit. Now really and truly, Mom, I think we were supposed to have the aloo dry. Like when we wash it, we're supposed to pack it dry or whatever.
Well, we could do that.
Alright, so this kind of like brown up enough. So Mom, come through. Alright. Now, what I was told, the trick after you turn this up is to cover it. I'm talking to you now, Mom. You're not adding your salt? No. The salt goes in that. So the trick, I don't know if I've seen that,
Chimney, yeah.
is to cover it, let it steam.
And how high you think that was?
And, well, for now, it should be on medium. Right. I don't know if this is...
Turn it. Oil burn.
Smelling real good already. Mom, try not to make more. Well, you can make fat roti for you, but I will make a small thin one for me, right?
True?
Yeah. So like that, I could cut that into. Wait, that's one roti?
Yeah.
I might have made that in three. This is one. I'm gonna show them now. This, look how big it is.
You look how big.
This for one roti, but no, it's not just a big, you know. She like the roti fat. How you like the roti? Fat. Daddy
know, but
likes soft roti too.
Thickish and nice and like me.
I still might have made 9 to 3.
Like me.
Mommy leave she one on top it off. What? This is for one roti.
Come and say hi to everybody. Everybody is asking. What's your favorite side? Why you say that so easy?
Watch this, a grand surprise here. She doing a TikTok right now, so I just can't jump in. Don't laugh at me. I'm just play cool.
So yeah, she actually did it.
A little update time on my fry aloo. He looks beautiful. Beautiful, baby. Look at Roti.
I tell you, it come out bigger than normal.
That one surprised me though.
No, it's really big. It's really bigger than normal.
Perfect.
You see, you have to go easy on that soul.
Serious?
Yeah.
I'm going to need some flour. Am I seeing, man?
Yeah. No, little baby Roti.
I see nothing here. This how to spread out.
Like chapati.
Shit like Seraphine's. I will show you a secret with my roti, right? Because you see that's for professionals.
I am not a professional.
Well, what you doing there, I cannot do and make my roti swell. So I will show you
My
for
roti don't
all the
always
ladies
swell.
out there who have a hard time making their roti swell. I'll show you the secret.
My roti don't always swell. How it cook. Daddy don't care once he get a piece of roti. He just thank God when he get a piece of salad roti.
Oh,
I don't cook roti often.
I know.
Little roti
I
was-
really know I don't really eat roti.
well, any night this roti was.
Yes, I can't tell you the last time I eat roti. Right, I'm gonna show mommy the reason why I don't want she bubble up too much, right? So it's stick there, so we don't want to move it because it will tear.
Look, this piece cooking.
Right, so now you're ready to flip. Right, there we go. Right, so just ready to turn one more time. Flip it in here. Putting it for, I just be safe and put it for 120, right? Let me see this. I know mommy doesn't want to close it. Go closer.
Yes, Laura, I see it because it did.
Oh, because it did.
No. I don't know what
Alright, so stay right there. When I open it, you can see for yourself, right? When I reach 20, I'll stop it because I paid for 120.
Well, I learned old school.
Alright, it should be good there. Watch this, sir. Boom! So, oh, you see it?
Boom.
Look! Swollen and nice. No, mommy, you fix
See if
that.
I do over microwave.
Well,
And my one with it.
In the original tower, roti, you see the oil burn on it?
yeah, it has people like the burn.
Excuse.
Right.
So that your cheap way?
That's my cheat way because, like I said, okay, we're gonna try this one on the tower then.
As before she start to wipe down. Just need to try to finish cooking that.
Well,
We just start to wipe and shine.
Johnny waited patiently like the food.
Daddy, we're hungry 2 o'clock in the morning.
Ian already, you done putting it on the fire?
He's doing it his way, Laurie.
Okay. He realized it was too soon and he put it back. make a mistake now.
Supposed to have it here.
Hey, my fry is still cooking. I forgot. Somebody getting a little swollen effect. Watch my roti. It's swollen completely.
I'll use mine.
And this is mommy's. Whoa, fatty bum bum. But this not fat compared to the kind she does make all it.
Cut off
Look,
mine.
this thing.
It's just big loaves.
This one. Yeah, you did well. Congratulations, your very first roti. Alright, this is the outcome. I am very pleased. I am extremely pleased. Right? This is my roti here. As you can see, it opens with ease. Very thin. Right, Ian, this is yours with your food inside. And that's in your roti. And mommy, there we go.
Shut
Look at fluff.
Look at him.
Look at fluff mommy have. And that tin mommy
Yeah,
still
it's
like
not
it
fat.
fatter. Ma, you take pepper on top of that?
Yes.
Let's see all the expression. That's my fry aloo, eh? I enjoy it. It was cool. Yeah, guys on TikTok are very easy to talk to and participated really, really well. Did you have a good experience?
Yes, it was enjoyable.
The most.
Will you do it again?
Yeah, I could do it again. But anyways, back to my fry aloo and roti. It was a hit. Could I show you? She say no. See what? It's I asked you for permission first, you know. Anyways, I'm looking to leave.
Look, I put it in the fridge on the okay now, okay. I'll put some chicken too.
You should have.
Let me do the Anissa. Okay. That Anissa is good. And
No.
Yeah,
you
yeah.
don't want anything. I am ready to close off my vlog. It was wonderful. Hey,
You love up?
how dare you not eat my
No.
fry aloo?
I was not hungry.
Okay.
I'll try to figure out.
Guys,
Life
before I
is.
go,
As soon as you pick up your phone.
That's not.
before I go, if you enjoyed this video, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up. I just had to say this, I memorized this good and all. Guys, if you enjoyed this video today, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. and
Subscribe.
yeah, if you have not already, please subscribe to my channel. It's the only way the channel will grow. And don't forget to hit that notification bell icon so you'll be notified every single time I post a video. Thank you all so much for all your love and support. Stay safe. Have a wonderful week. Wear your mask, sanitize your hands, and I will see you guys in my next video.
Bye.